really I volunteered. I stayed in the Army for 18 months, and it was time to be discharged, and I hadn't left the States, so I wanted to go overseas. So I volunteered to go overseas, and they sent me to Korea. They didn't like the idea because two of my friends, classmates that I went to school with, had got killed over there already. Two of them. One was a distant cousin of mine, and he got killed. Another one, well, he was just a friend, and he got killed. So, and me going, well, he wasn't too, you know. But I didn't think much of it because I wanted to go. I wanted to go overseas. I thought of it, yeah, but I knew this was something that I wanted. I wanted to be in the Army. And I knew that was a part of the deal. I mean, when you go to war, you know, you either get killed, and I thought, on the other hand, everybody that go to war don't get killed, you know, and that's what I had in mind, you know. Of course, my cousin and friend, they was unfortunate, and they got killed, but, and I was thinking, well, everybody don't get killed, you know. We pulled into Incheon Harbor. It was late, it was afternoon. And the ships they couldn't come into the dock. So the ships anchored offshore. And the funny thing, while we was on the ship and getting ready to crawl over the board to get on the rope ladder, there was 3 battleships. Battleship Missouri, and I think, anyway, there were 3 battleships there, lined up along the coast there. And while everybody was on the crawl overboard on the rope ladder to go down, Battleship Missouri got a fire mission. And anytime when they get a fire mission, when that thing go off, it wake up the devil in hell, the racket. And the concussion and the lights and everything, the light from it flash, it lights up. And that's what happened. And this rope ladder was loaded with people getting down there. And when he gets a fire mission, boom, boy, and everybody trying to get back up on the ship. What the hell going on? Nobody had never heard that much racket before. That was my first, that was the first scare. And I was in the fire department. I was a firefighter. We're supposed to fire support, fire protection for the entire city of Incheon, right, in all the area. POL, gas, and all this. That was our job. We had small bombings, artillery coming in all the time. Sometimes, you know, coming in, they would always fire at the ammo, the POL dump. So you've got gas and everything stored all around, and they would fire rounds at it sometimes, things like that. And this one time, there was a late in the afternoon. I remember this. It was late, and everything was real quiet. And way in a distant future, I could hear a plane, a noise like a motor go on a plane. And it stood out over everything else. It was in the afternoon, it was real quiet, no wind blowing, everything was quiet. And I listened at it as it came. It was coming from the north. over the yellow sea. He dropped around, boom, and then another one, boom. Everybody began to look, and boy, you see nothing but smoke and fire going on. Oh my God, we've been bummed on. And by that time, we were out fighting fire. And not so much of wasn't worried about going home as much as I just was ready to get the hell out of Korea, really. Well, at that time, it seemed a little useless, because at some times there it seemed like we were fighting a losing battle. But then the tide kind of changed a little bit, and things changed a little bit. You could see more of a need for it. The need became more apparent. I'm 90 years now, 89 now, almost 90. And there's no way in hell I can put the last few days of my life in the hand of them damn dumbass nieces and nephews. No, sir. This is home for me. This is it for me. When I leave here, they'll take me out here, feet first.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah.